everyone, happy Halloween! As always on Halloween, I'm trying to match my drink recipes to my Halloween costumes. Today I'm a French maid, if you didn't guess, and we're going to make a French Martini. It's a very pleasant fruity drink. We're going to start with 2 ounces of our French Vodka Ciroc, 1 ounce of Chambord. Chambord is your top shelf French raspberry liqueur. According to legend, it was produced for French royalty in 17th century. It goes very well with champagne. If you like champagne-based cocktails, you can add half an ounce or an ounce to your champagne flute, and it will give it not only a great flavor, but also will make your drink a little stronger because Chambord contains cognac. We're going to use 1 ounce and 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Let's add some ice. And give it a really good shake. Let's strain our drink in a martini glass. Make sure your martini glass is pre-chilled. Look at this. And we're going to garnish it with some fresh raspberries. And that's how you make a French Martini. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. For more recipes, subscribe to my channel, drink responsibly, and I'll see you next time.